Hey guys, Taylor Knapp here with Moto Everything, where no matter what your moto addiction, we've got you covered. This product review video is over the Kryptonite New York style U-Locks, so check it out here. So we've got the Kryptonite New York style U-Lock. And to start off, this thing's going to receive a 9 out of 10 on the security rating by Kryptonite. And it works well on bicycles, motorcycles, ATV, cruiser, Harley, anything that requires a larger style lock like this one here. Getting into the dimensions, it does have a 4-inch gap on the width, 10¼ inch on the length for the opening hole, and it's going to use a 16mm solid steel shaft coated in rubber. And this entire lock actually has a rubber coating, which will keep your rims or whatever you're attaching this lock to unscratched and safe. So onto the keys. This lock here comes with 3 keys, and you'll notice the blue LED to help locate the keyhole in the end there. There are barcode on all of their keys, and they do offer a program. If you sign up with the program and give them your code on the key, if you ever do lose that key in the future, they will replace the first key for free and the second key at a small charge. So make sure you take advantage of that system that they offer. Solid steel all the way through, coated with rubber all the way through. Onto the keyhole, you've got the slider door, which helps keep the dirt and the water and the grime out of the keyhole so the lock is working properly. So that's pretty much everything you need to know on the New York style Kryptonite. If you've got any questions, call Moto Everything at 888-633-5420. Don't forget to check out the YouTube channel at Moto Everything 1 for more product reviews on the full Kryptonite lock product line. So that's it for the New York style U-Lock by Kryptonite, and we'll catch you next time.